So guys, I'm experiencing this restaurant for the third time. The ghee roast over here is super amazing, and their biryanis are to die for. It's a must place to try in Goa.
In Kalangut, North Goa, finding authentic and good Telugu cuisine is quite rare. But we actually did, and we ate a lot. And in this video, we are going to talk more about it. In case if you're wondering where we are heading home after a lovely meal. But this is what happened earlier today. Good afternoon guys, welcome back to our channel. I am Gavin, and guess who's back?
And I'm Adrienne.
Around a 14-minute walk from Kalangut beach is Mana Andhra Ruchulu Authentic Telugu Food Restaurant. I hope I pronounced everything right. Well, this place has been on our list since a while now because of some excellent reviews on Google and some extremely tempting images. We've never eaten Telugu food before. To be honest, we are a bit nervous but excited as well at the same time. So let's get in there and find out what they have to offer. Once you step inside, you'll see these black and white tiles, and the good part is, although it's a small place, I see that the place is very neat and clean, and the other good thing is that it's very ventilated. So if you sit here, you'll definitely not feel claustrophobic. And just at the entrance I saw these banana leaves, so I'm really excited to eat on one of these. And besides that, I'm not sure what this used to be earlier, but look at the structure of this place. Don't be confused, because I used to see this place just in another lane across the street that side, but they have changed their location. They used to be in a smaller place, but they have come here, they've moved here to a much bigger place. So this looks really nice, and Adrienne and myself are going to be seated that side. First of all, Adrienne, thank you so much for coming. Because of you, it's very easy for me to shoot today's vlog. I mean, if you watched our previous videos, credit goes to Adrienne. The beautiful visuals that you see, the picture perfect videos, and you know, the good quality videos, it's all thanks to Adrienne. Anyway, now I have the menu and I will show you the menu. Okay, one more thing, very important is the servers here are wearing buffon caps. So that is very nice. They have maintained the hygiene of this place really well. Alright, now let's go through the menu. And as soon as you take the menu, if you see in the front and back, you'll see that Zomato has awarded them with best biryani in Goa. So that is really interesting. I mean, we love biryani, and this will be a different kind of biryani, South Indian biryani. You want to try that? Okay, so as you flip to the first page, you'll see lots of vegetarian and non-vegetarian starters. So they have like Andhra chili potato, paneer 65, spicy crispy corn, so many things. Andhra chili chicken, ghee roast chicken, mutton pepper fry. So the good thing is that they are not ripping off tourists. I can see that the rates are genuinely very reasonable. It's all I can see here. Even the mutton items are below like 350 rupees. That's a good sign. Okay, now moving on to the second page here. So these are their specialities. So they have seafood dishes. They have lots of things here. To be honest, we have not tried Telugu food before. If you watched the Kerala series, we've eaten a lot of food in Kerala. We've even been to Tamil Nadu, to Velankani church. It's a very famous church, and a lot of devotees from all over the world visit, because you know, miracles happen at that church. So we had been there and we had the seafood there, but never have we ever tried Telugu food. This is going to be our first time. And when I was going through the reviews, I saw a lot of people talking about the Kodi biryani. I have no clue what it is. I saw the recipe, lots of spices are used. I'm definitely trying that. And if you flip over, there's something called Vindu Bhojanam. Again, no idea what it is. It's served on a banana leaf, and even this, there are some very pretty looking pictures on the Google reviews of this dish here. So yes, this is another thing that we are going to try. And the other things here are main course like rice bowls and chef recommendations. So we'll just like take the server's advice and take like 2 or 3 items from here. And they have Indo-Chinese delicacy. I don't think we'll go for any of that today. And yes, so we are excited about today's food vlog, because it's something very different we haven't tried before. I'm a bit nervous as well, so is Adrienne, but at the same time we are very excited. So stay tuned and keep watching till the end. So we've taken something called Vindu Bojam, and I have no clue what this is. This is what they're serving. I'm going to ask them. ये क्या है? Tomato? Chutney. Okay, okay, please. और ये स्वीट शीरा. हाँ. और ये क्या है? तोरई. ओके. और ये cabbage. I'm already very nervous looking at all this, and there is more here. Okay. हाँ, start. ये क्या है? Bagara rice. Okay. Bagara is, I know, I think they put spices and then they fry it on the pan, the steamed rice. और ये chicken fry. Okay. Chicken curry. चिकन हाँ, ये हमने ऑर्डर किया था. ओके. सो आई नो यू सरप्राइज, बट वी हैव टू डू दिस फॉर यू गाइज टू शो यू वेराइटी. एंड दिस इज़ पापड़. सो दैट इज़ द थोड़ा सा बस. सो दीज गाइज आर ऑब्वियसली जस्ट एज नर्वस एज आई एम, बट it looks so good. And we have one or two items more. I even forgotten what all I've ordered. This one is Kodi fried chicken biryani. This is dum biryani, but Kodi biryani again. Kodi, I read a little bit online, it stands for chicken. This is chicken pakoda, and all this you heard. Okay, here comes another one. Kya? Guntur?
Chicken fry.
Guntur chicken fry. Thank you. So this is Guntur chicken fry. I know it's going to be spicy and I'm nervous. और हाँ, ये चटनी है. Sorry, spices. So this is the same thing that they have already placed on the table. So that's very nice. And ये कौन सा चटनी है? Ghee. हाँ, this is clarified butter called ghee. And okay. हाँ. Okay, thank you. And we have this little baby here as well who's helping us out. Thank you. All right. So we have so much stuff here. I don't even know where to start. But yes, let's start from here. This is a chicken pakoda, lots of chilies and curry leaves. I'm forgetting words. Yeah. So let's pop this in. And I saw a piece of garlic. Is it? I'm not sure. Wow. So, as you bite it, the best part is it is soft. It's really soft, and as you go through the bite, a little bit later is when you can taste the curry leaves and the chili. Simple, basic item. It's got very limited flavors, but the flavor is excellent. Very, very nice, and the quantity is quite good as well. And as you guys know, if I like something, I take like 2 or 3 bites. Cannot resist that, especially when it's non-veg. Right. Now, let's move over to this one. This is called Guntur chicken. I think this has bones in it. Yeah. ये क्या है?
Royla Vepro France chili fry.
If you guys got that, please put that in the comments. I really like the way he's saying the names of the dishes. I heard Royla Pepru prawns chili fry. I'm going to check that in the menu. Thank you. Okay, the papad is flying here because of the breeze there coming from the fan. I'm sorry. Nice thing is they have a huge fan here, so I'm not at all feeling hot. Okay, now back to this chicken. Gunturu chicken, if I remember the name. Where did I keep the fork? Yeah, here it is. I want to describe the flavor. So, as I said, Telugu cuisine is something that is new for us, and I absolutely have no idea what spices are used in this. But the flavor is something very different, very unique. I have to eat it again to describe it. Again, my second bite. I think, of course, they have used many spices, but I think they've fried it well on the pan as well, because I can get some, very nice flavors from the pan. Again, just like this one, very soft, but something totally different. I don't know how to judge the flavor. I enjoyed it, but I think I enjoyed this one more. Alright, now where do I go next? Okay, this one is prawns, so Adrian cannot have this, and I need to see the menu again. I know we ordered some prawn item, but I have no idea what it is, and I even don't remember what he said. So yeah, it looks similar to the chicken. Wow. I love prawns. Again, just like that one, totally different flavor. It's got spiciness, of course. Each and everything what I tasted so far has a kick to it. Again, it's fried on the pan. I'm getting those flavors. Very nice. Those of you who've had Telugu food before will obviously know what I'm talking about. But for me, again, I'm saying it's very different. But it's been a good ride so far, because sometimes when you taste a new cuisine, it's like a shocker, You don't enjoy it. But so far, I have enjoyed it pretty much. And where do I start? I mean, there's so much here. I had no clue that is going to be so much food. And yeah, we are eating Indian food, so let's start with this. So this is the bagar rice, I remember. And look at all these little side dishes that they have given with the rice. Bagar rice is excellent, guys, excellent. Like, I can just have this on its own. Really very nice. Let's try this with the chicken curry and a piece of chicken, because that's what it is. This is the chicken meal, and again, so soft. The chicken is so soft. Wow. Bagar rice is excellent. And the chicken curry, again spicy. It's a bit rich, flavorful. I don't remember the name of the second chicken. This has a very intense flavor, just like the other small chicken dishes that we had. But again, very, very nice, very different flavor. The good thing is that the chicken, all the chicken over here, it is soft. I mean, it's cooked to perfection. Very, very nice coating of the spices. I'm really enjoying it. And as I speak, I can feel the heat on my tongue and on my palate. Like, having this experience here in Goa is something totally different. I mean, if I take my eyes off this place, it's Goa, and if I'm here, it's like I'm in South India. Like, the flavors are so good. This is reminding me of my trip to Kerala. Wow. Okay, let's taste this. There's something about this dal again. It's so thick, can you see? Superb. Like, it's similar to the dal that we are used to having, but spices again are different, a bit different flavor. What's this? This tastes like rasam. The funny thing is, all of this tastes like something that I've had before, but yet it's so different. It's definitely the spices, and in India, each and every place, each and every state, each and every city has different flavors. That is the best part about Indian food. I mean, I don't know. We will never get enough of it. Wow. Again. Too good. Okay. And it's spicy, guys. It's a bit spicy. So yes. What's this again now? Let me taste this with this rice. Wow. This meal has an array of flavors. It's spicy, but yeah, the flavors are so damn different. And this looks like, I think Adrian, he said garlic chutney, right? No, sorry, this is something of onion. It's very similar to the onion pakoras that we have. Ooh. We got crazy spices in it, guys. Like, this has been a spice ride so far. What's this? This is just regular curd and this chili. This is scaring me right now. Wow. It's salty, but I think it's supposed to be had with the rice. But for sure they've coated this in some spices and they've deep fried it. Again, something very, very, very different. Oh, okay. So there's fish as well. That is mackerel. And okay, back to the meal here. So this is papad. It becomes soft because I waited for a long time, guys. But I don't blame them for it. It's my fault. We were clicking pictures. But yeah, this is similar to the Kerala papadam. And now I can feel the spices. I need this. Now I know why they have given this. I need to save this. Okay, I forgot to talk about this one. This is called turai, some vegetable. To be honest, I'm not a very big fan of this vegetable, so I'm going to leave that there. But this bagar rice, all these are like too good, too good. I'm really enjoying this a lot. Okay, and this one here as well. Now, the biryani. I don't want to ask them for another plate. I'll just help myself here. Sorry about the mess, but yeah, let me see at the bottom if they have any spices. Yeah, they do have some gravy at the bottom. I'm going to put this here. I'm so sorry, guys, this is a messy vlog, but yeah, we have taken a lot. Like, I don't know why I thought these will be small portions, but definitely not. These are like huge portions. So this is the Kodi fry biryani, if I remember. The spices, guys. I know South Indians, especially people from Andhra, you guys love spicy food. I can feel the heat on my tongue. Okay. This biryani is superb. No doubt they have got an award for it. Look at the rice. So it's a South Indian biryani, guys. Don't expect the kind of flavors that you'll get in Bombay or Delhi or all the other North Indian places. These are nice masalas at the bottom. But the biryani is really very impressive. And look at the grains of rice. I'm saving that. You need to take that home for our folks. And what's this? Again, this is the chicken dum biryani. Oh my god. This looks like a huge piece at the bottom. I need to just use my hands, guys. I'm not going to have the rice because I'm assuming it is similar. Whoa. Look at this. Okay. This is dum and it's way milder than this one. I mean, the intensity of the spices is not as much as this one. And like I said, the flavors, it will give you a hit, and the spices, it's a bit spicy, guys. So those of you who love spicy food, you are going to enjoy this like crazy. It's spicy, but not very, very, very spicy like some of the thalis that we've had in Pune. But yeah, on a scale of 10, I would rate it around 8. Wow. And along with the biryani, they have given us this peanut and what was that, Adrian? Garlic gravy. Oh, you know, it's got the nuttiness of the peanuts and you can taste the garlic. And let me try it with the rice. That complements this really well. This actually is reminding me of the Hyderabadi biryani that I had in Fujairah in the UAE. That chef, he used to make mutton biryani and give a very similar kind of gravy, but it had brinjal in it. Very, very similar to that. And raita. Raita is regular raita with coriander and onion and everything. Whoa. You know, it's one of those food vlogs where you feel nervous, and especially with so much food, people staring at you. But yes, it's such a totally different kind of an experience, and it's not over. We have something else here. So I guess these guys are well aware by now that we make food vlogs, and I don't know why this has come on the table, but I think they want us to try this and show in the video because they saw us enjoying the food. What's this? I'll just have a little bit of this. Very crispy coating of masalas on the outside, and it's quite good. But honestly, if you get 12 bangdas, I mean mackerel for 100 rupees in Baga, we end up eating a lot of mackerel at home. And Adrian is smiling there because she's the one who gets it. We've eaten so much mackerel, and to be honest, I'll take that home. Sorry, but it's quite good as well. It's not bad. It's just that I had a lot of fish lately, so I'm not in the mood for fish. But this, guys, has been a completely different kind of experience. Sorry, there's a fish bone here, and there are some chutneys here. So I don't have the courage to try this, but I have to do it for you guys. Let's start with this. This looks like the garlic chutney. So I'm going to just, I'm not even sure if I'm doing it the right way. I'm just putting it on this and having it. Actually, I'm not understanding the flavor. Let me put this on my hand. So yeah, once I put it on the rice, I could not understand the flavor, so I have to have it just directly like this. You know, if you had a vada pav in Mumbai and if you had the suka chutney, which is made from garlic, this is very, very similar to that. I know I'm not describing it the right way because again, this is the first time we are having this food and I can only compare it with something else that I've had before. Okay, what's this? Again, no clue what that is, but yeah, it's very powdery, very, very different. Whoa. And this is some pickle. So I'm going to take just a little, like a drop of this and try this. This is mango. Yeah, I've had this before. It has, you know, South Indian pickles taste different, and this is one of those pickles, very, very strong and very intense flavor. Adrian, just come here closer. Yeah, this is the one. And what's this? This one, I think, has something tangy in it, so it's a bit tangy. So this was like a little bland, this was powdery, this was spicy and tasted like mango. This one is tangy. And what's this? Again, no clue. The only thing that I can describe here is ghee. So yeah, this is ghee, and you know what ghee tastes like. Right. So I hope you guys enjoyed watching the video. Looking at all the food, I completely missed out on putting onion and lime over my food. It's one of my favorite parts, but yeah, I missed that, I'm sorry. So I hope you guys enjoyed watching the video. I know it was way too much, but if you're looking for Telugu food, authentic, It's my first time having, but I'm assuming this is authentic. A lot of people come here to have it. We've come here early. It's not even 1 o'clock, but I guess like in half an hour or so, this place is going to get crowded. So until the next one, take care, stay safe, and stay positive.